You will neither become a Hindu nor a Muslim. You are the child of humanity. You will become a human being. Life is not just about love. There is something more. In this world ravaged by hunger and thirst, love is not the only reality. There is something more. It has been the misfortune of humanity that when it sees talent, instead of nurturing, cherishing and appreciating it, it starts digging up its roots. Even though this talent is instrumental in the upliftment of humanity, Sahil Ludhianvi is one such name who did not receive love, respect or appreciation in time. But the hunger within him kept the poet's heart alive even amidst every tsunami. He gave so much to humanity. It is important to talk about Sahil Ludhianvi today because this was not just a life. It was not just a series of events. This is a name that has enriched humanity. This is a name that has contributed to the world of love. This is a name whose poetry brings a smile to your lips when you hear and read it. This is a name that has enriched literature and film. And the era we are living in today, the progress we are experiencing did not come about in a single era. Many have contributed to bringing about this era, and it is our duty to remember those names instead of forgetting them and to introduce them to the coming generation. Because contributions never die. The development of humanity has taken place on the steps and chains of these contributions, whether in the field of civilization, talent or invention which we enjoy today. If we forget the contributions of those thanks to whom we enjoy everything today, it would be the heights of selfishness, and when selfishness reached its highest level, there is decline. We will neither be able to recognize new talent, nor appreciate it, nor contribute to its advancement. Therefore, knowing about Sahil Ludhianvi's life is as important as our progress in this fast-paced life. Although his father was quite wealthy, the separation of his parents affected him deeply, and Sahil Ludhianvi experienced every phase of poverty. His father had other relationships, but he clothed his mother over his father and rejected all of his father's wealth in his childhood. Later, when he went to challenge, he fell in love with Amrita Pritam, but it was unsuccessful because Amrita Pritam's family did not approve of him. Firstly, because he was a Muslim, and secondly, because he was poor. At the behest of Amrita Pritam's father, he was even expelled from college. Later, to earn a living, he experienced all the hardship of life. It is said about him that he never paid as much attention to himself as he did so others. All his friends went to Lahore after independence, and he was left alone here. His second love was Sudha Malhotra, but that too did not reach the stage of marriage. He spent his entire life without getting married. He lived for only 59 years. He wrote songs for many Bollywood films. His songs have a deep sense of seriousness. Sahil was the first lyricist to receive royalties for his song. It was due to his efforts that after the broadcast of song on All India Radio, the lyricist's name was also mentioned along with the singer and music composer. Sahil Ludhianvi was not only a poet but also a rebellious poet. He wrote his poetry about the hollowness of society, and he gave a message of inspiration amidst the struggle. How a father's heart breaks during his daughter's farewell can still be felt today. The song from the film नील कमल, बाबुल की दुआएं लेती जा, जा तुझको सुखी संसार मिले, take your father's blessing, may you find a happy world, was written by him. He promoted unity in society by writing poetry on brotherhood and humanity. He was a follower of communist ideology. After independence, he too moved to Lahore, but when he wrote something against the government, the Pakistani government issued a warrant against him. He left the country and returned to India. He first lived in Delhi and then came to Bombay. He charged 1 rupee more than what Lata Mangeshkar received as remuneration. He received the first and sometimes the second Filmfare Award for Taj Mahal. He was awarded the Padam Shri. The song Saathi Haath Badhana, sung by Dilip Kumar, was written by him. The song Ye Duniya Agar Mil Bhi Jaye To Kya Hai from Guru Dutt's film Pyasa was also written by him. कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना आया was also written by him. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया. This song is still alive in our lives, in your lives and mine, and it was written by him. A smile spreads across my face. A feeling of joy fills my eyes when you call me your own. I feel proud of my loved ones. I all the declaration of all kinds of emotion. Every single thing in the world has this same story. Take with you the blessing of learned love. Love is found in life only sometimes. The beautiful ghazals and songs he wrote on love and humanity are beyond praise amidst despair, pain, frustration, inconsistencies and bitterness. Sahil Ludhianvi, who wrote poetry filled with love, devotion and romance, penned songs that touch the heart. Even 50 years after they were written, his songs remain as fresh and vibrant as ever. He began his film's career in 1948 with the film Azadi Ki Raah Par, which was unsuccessful. Sahil gained fame with the song Thandi Hawaein Lehra Ke Aaye from the 1951 film Naujawan. The music director for this film was S.D. Burman. Guru Dutt's directorial debut film Baji established him as a prominent figure. Burman also composed the music for this film and all its songs became popular. Sahil worked most extensively with music director N. Datta. Datta was a great admirer of Sahil. After Milaf in 1955, he wrote songs for films like Marine Drive, Lighthouse, Bhai Bahan, Sadhana, Dhool Ka Phool, Dharamputra and Delhi Ka Dada. His first film as a lyricist was Baji, whose song Takdeer Se Bigdi Hui Takdeer Bana Le became immensely popular. He wrote memorable songs for numerous films including Hamraj, Waqt, Dhool Ka Phool, Daag, Bahu, Begum, Aadmi Aur Insaan, Dhund and Pyasa. Sahil never married, but he expressed the feelings of love in his song in such a way that poets were captivated. After being expelled from college, Sahil began working on his first book. In 1943, he published his first collection of poetry titled Talkhiyan. Talkhiyan gave Sahil a new identity. After this, Sahil became the editor of Adaab Latif, Sahakar and Savera. Sahil was also associated with the Progressive Writers Association. Some articles published in Savera angered the Pakistani government and a warrant was issued against Sahil. In 1949, Sahil moved to Delhi. After spending some time in Delhi, Sahil settled in Mumbai. Sahil Ludhianvi's real name was Abdul Hai and his pen name was Sahil. He was born on March 8, 1920. In Ludhiana. Sahil Ludhianvi passed away on October 25, 1980 at the age of 59 due to a heart attack. Here is one of his beautiful ghazals which has given strength to people to fight against the world for their own existence. Wipe away the tears from your eyes and smile. Then something will happen. Nothing will be achieved by bowing your head raise your head, then something will happen. Life is not given as a charity. Life has to be snatched away. If you can snatch your right from this heartless world, then something will happen. Color and discrimination, caste and religion, whatever it may be, are inferior to humanity. If you too accept this truth like me, then something will happen. In this world of hatred, we have to build settlements of love. Staying away is no achievement. Come closer, then something will happen.